Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the holidays are over and my kids are back in school, but my home just isn't as tidy as I want it to be. So in today's video, I'm going to tackle the chore of cleaning my kids' room. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and if you're ready, here we go. So this is the kids' room, and they're supposed to clean their room daily. And as you can see, they've been doing a poor job. So here I come to do what they don't. I began by going through the toys, just sorting out things that were broken or things that they hadn't played with in a long time. And I also didn't really like the layout of the room, so I moved it again. I'm always moving furniture around. And here the kids just have a bunch of books that I don't really have any place to put them, so I'm just stuffing them under the bed for now. Whew, now to move on to this closet. You guys, at this point, I was exhausted. I was thinking, what did I really get myself into? But I continued. Here I'm just sorting their clothes, looking at things that they don't wear anymore, can't fit anymore, and made a pile for the Goodwill. So this is my progress shot. That's the closet, and that's what I've done so far with the room. All right, now to get back to it. Now I'm just doing a quick vacuum of the floor so I can dump all the clothes from the dresser onto it and do what my kids apparently don't know how to do, which is fold. And I did the same thing as I did for the closet, just sorted their clothes, took out things that were supposed to be hanged but got stuffed in their drawer instead, made a pile for the Goodwill. And now I'm done. Doesn't this look 10 times better? Thanks for joining me, you guys. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.